everyone, and welcome to another video which I think gamers will love it. So the video is about how to download games on PC for free. When you look at the list of the top 20 PC games that people are playing around the world, it turns out that about 70% of these games are entirely free to play. So there are a few different places where you can download PC games, and one of them is Epic Games. So Epic Games is the maker of some of the popular games, including Fortnite, Rocket League, and other video games. So go to their website, and once you land on their homepage, go and click on Browse. Then over on the right hand side, write free, then click on games, and by this way you will see all of the free games, and there are many different options here. To install any one of these games, simply click on the title of the game that you want to install, and then here in the top right hand corner you can click on download, and that's it. You have downloaded the game you wanted. I hope this video helped you, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos.